Hello? Oh, hello. Just checking to see if your fridge is still running. Yes. Well, you better go catch it. Ha ha ha. That's a good one. What's up, bro? Hey, mate. Just want to ask you, is your fridge still running? I think so, yeah. Well, you better catch it. Ha ha. What? Hey, mate. Just wondering, is your fridge still running? Well, of course it is. I mean, what's going on in your mind, bro? You want me to tell you what I'd do if my fridge was running? Go on. I'd catch it, take it to the store, and say that it's acting faulty. Ha! Walked right into that one, didn't ya? Damn, dude, he got me. That just goes to show, don't judge a book by its covers.